Welcome to the video on duplicate listings and how to avoid them. Let's start by understanding what are duplicate listings. Duplicate listings or spam refer to two or more separate product listings that have little to no difference between them. And in order to maintain a positive experience for all buyers, Meesho prohibits sellers from engaging in duplicate listings. Often suppliers create duplicate listings thinking identical listings will benefit them and boost their visibility. Instead, duplicate listings do not go live on Meesho and increase the risk of account suspension or repeat behavior. Re-uploading catalogs that are deactivated or not live without solving for errors also results in a duplicate listing. Now let's understand different case scenarios that result in duplicate listings and how you can avoid them. Number 1. Uploading the same product under different categories. For example, let's take this watch. Here, the same product is listed by the supplier under two different categories, watches and watch bands. In the above scenario, the listing will be considered a duplicate and will not get uploaded. To avoid duplication, we recommend you to publish listings in a category that is most relevant to your product. Number 2. Re-uploading catalogs that are deactivated or not live. If a certain catalog is deactivated or not live, re-uploading the same will result in a duplicate listing. To avoid the same, you can check the status of the catalog in the inventory or catalog upload tabs on the supplier panel and check for errors. In case you are unable to understand the reason, you can raise a ticket. Simply click on support and under the cataloging and pricing, you will find the option My catalog is not live. Number 3. Uploading the same product as a separate listing for price variation. A single product should only have one listing. In the following example, the same product is added to two listings under different prices. In this scenario, the above listings will be classified as duplicates. If you wish to edit the price or catalog, you can do the same by raising a ticket with the support team in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Click on Support in the Supplier panel. Step 2. Select Cataloging and Pricing. Step 3. Select Change the price of the product or catalog. Click on Raise a ticket and request for an edit, and it's done. Number 4. Uploading the same product as a separate listing for each size. Let's take this kurti as an example. Here, the product is the same in terms of model and design but is listed separately for each size it is available in. In this scenario, the listing will be considered spam or duplicates. To avoid this, we recommend you select all the size variations of the product under a single listing. Some quick tips include multiple size variations in a single product listing. Make sure that you clearly differentiate the images and details of your product listings. Happy selling on Meesho!
If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel.